the GFS moves closer towards the Turks and Caicos.
Hurricane Irma's trail of destruction is vast.
In the Turks and Caicos, powerful winds snapped utility poles and crushed cars.
This is day one of our Turks and Caicos adventure, honeymoon part 4.
This beach is probably the most beautiful water and sand
I've ever seen.
Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds, each by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing.
This gets a 6. What's going on?
This is day 3, the 6th. We had a beautiful day at the resort. We had an 11 o'clock meeting just to kind of go over precautionary measures for the hurricane, Hurricane Irma, that's scheduled to hit tomorrow at 6.
Conrad and Brittany Kasem live in Sullivan County, but they love to travel the world. Their current trip to Turks and Caicos, a place often considered paradise, is turning into a nightmare.
It's going to be a Category 5. The eye is actually going to go right over Turks and Caicos where we're at. So we're basically all just going to buckle down and ride out the storm.
I talked with them via FaceTime and learned with Irma headed straight for the island, getting a flight home was next to impossible.
We were hit with a Category 5 hurricane.
In Turks and Caicos, September 9th, Saturday, and we survived Hurricane Irma.
Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun.
Left Turks and Caicos,
and wrong.
Longest delay we've ever had flying. We had a 2-hour and 45-minute delay. Half of that, which was in the plane, seated in the plane.
Yeah.
We have handwritten boarding passes.
Yep.
Quite the experience.
It's gonna be alright.